Namaste everyone. Today we will learn how to make chatbots using dialogflow. First of all, what are chatbots? In simple language, chatbots are a set of computer programs that simulates human conversation through voice commands or text chats or both. Since we are using dialogflow, so I think we should have a little knowledge about it. Dialogflow is simply a tool to make bots that can understand human conversation. It was formerly known as API.ai. And now let's get started. Go to this tab and type API.ai. We should be on this window after typing API.ai on the above tab. And now we should click go to console. Should be on this window. So we will be creating a chatbot that can help customers in booking tables at their desired time and at their desired places in an XYZ restaurant. Okay, so we will first click on, so we will click here or create new agent, and then we will type our agent name. Let's name our chatbot as Robo. The language is English. You can change the default time zone if you like and hit create. It's working. It's done. Okay. Agent training completed. And now let us have an idea on the basic layout of our bot. So this is the basic layout of our chatbot that we will be creating very soon. So the user will first ask for some food or some place where he wants to have his or her food. After the user asks this question, the bot will further ask the user where does he or she wants to eat his or her food. The user will respond to this question of the bot and tell his or her desired place. After that, the bot will ask from the user the user's preferred timing when he or she wants to have his or her food. The user will specify his timing, and after this, the conversation will end. So let's get back to this window. So we will first create entities. Entities are basically a keyword which can be used by dialogflow to answer requests from the user. So we will create our first entity. The name of our first entity will be location. Place where the user wants to have his or her food. The user can have his or her food at South Delhi or North Delhi, East Delhi or West Delhi. You can even add synonyms like southern part of, but they're not necessary. Northern part of Delhi. And after this, we will hit save. We will create another set of entities, and the name of this entity will be timings. This entity will specify when the user wants to have his or her food, like morning or evening, afternoon, night. For synonym, you can say breakfast or more morning food evening food, lunch, afternoon food, dinner, or night food. You can add as many synonyms as you want. And after this, we will hit save. And now we will create intents. Intents are a specific action that the user can invoke by using one of the defined terms in a dialogflow console. So we will create our first intent. Let's name our first intent as hungry. And our training phrase, like the user is going to say like, I am hungry. Should hungry. I want to go to a restaurant. Food me. Food please. Any place that can provide me food. And after this, we will hit add response. How the bot is going to respond after this, after the statements given by the user. So the bot is going to ask, where do you want to eat? Okay, and then we will hit save. Intent saved, and now we will create another intent. Place, the place where the user wants to have his or her food. Our user will say, I will have my food in North Delhi. I will go to any restaurant in South Delhi. I will book my table in West Delhi. Since in these training phases we need our older entity location, so we will hit this button. If the user doesn't specify the place where he wants to have his or her food properly, then the bot is going to respond like, you haven't told me where do you want to eat? Please specify. Then it flows. After the user properly specifies where he or she wants to have his or her food, the bot will ask the timing where the user when the user will have his or her food. The bot is going to ask, when are you going to have your food? And then hit save. Intent saved. Agent training started. Agent training completed. And then we will create another set of intent. This intent will specify when the user wants to have his or food. Let's time. I will have my food in the evening. I will take my breakfast in the restaurant. So, I will be having my lunch, or I will be eating my food at night. Since in these string phrases we need a older entity, timing, so we hit this button. If the user doesn't specify when he wants to have his or her food, the bot is going to respond like, you haven't told me when you want to have your food. Please specify, and then hit close. After the user properly specifies his preferred timing of having his or her food, the bot is going to explain, the bot is going to respond like this. Great. Your table is ready. And after this, the conversation is going to end. And then hit save. And one more thing I would like to add, we should train our bot in small talks. Small talks means how the bot should respond when someone says hello to him, how the bot should respond when someone says thank you to him. So enabling the small talk will make our bot a little more smart. We can test it in here. We can write hello. Hello, how can I help you? How are you? And it's done. And now we go for integrations. The place where we actually want to display our bot. So let's choose a simple one. Let's choose webdemo. Let's copy this code. It's time to test our bot. I will say, hello, I need food. I will have my food in West Delhi. I will be having my lunch. YouTube. Thank you. We have created a chatbot. We have tested a chatbot. And so thanks for watching this video.